Hi, my name's Juliet and today I'm talking about the Scrivener ruler. It isn't obvious when you first open Scrivener that there is a ruler, but of course there is, otherwise you would have no options for formatting. To show it, go into the Format menu and select Ruler. Now here you can see that you've got all the right and left margin tools and the tool for indents, but there's no sign of the tabs. To access them, put your cursor onto the toolbar where you want the tab to be and right-click. There you will see the left, centre, right and decimal tabs. Click on the one you want and it'll appear on the ruler. To remove them, just drag them off the ruler, and then your text will adjust to the default tabs that are set into the system. That's all there is to it. But don't go using tabs in ebooks. They'll likely screw your document right up. For more Scrivener goodness, there's a playlist somewhere around here. Thank you for watching, and if you've subscribed, I'll see you again next time.